In today's competitive market, innovative business ideas are more than a luxury. They're a necessity, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a startup enthusiast. Tapping into innovative concepts can be your key to business success. Unconventional platforms for skill sharing. While online courses are common, what about a platform that facilitates real-time skill sharing? Imagine a marketplace where a chef, a programmer, and a yoga instructor can offer one-on-one virtual sessions. Eco-friendly subscription boxes. Subscription boxes have been around for a while. However, a box focused on eco-friendly products, from reusable kitchen wraps to biodegradable toiletries, can attract a niche yet growing market. Virtual reality-based mental health services. Mental health is a critical issue worldwide. Offering counseling sessions through virtual reality can create an immersive therapeutic environment, adding a unique dimension to mental health treatment. Augmented reality shopping. E-commerce is convenient but lacks the tactile experience of in-store shopping. Augmented reality can bridge this gap, allowing customers to try products before making a purchase. Waste to energy ventures. Turning waste into energy isn't a new concept, but it's one of the innovative business ideas that's increasingly viable. With a focus on sustainability, such a business can benefit both the economy and the planet. AI-driven personal finance assistance. Considering the complexity of managing finances, an AI-driven assistant that offers real-time advice based on spending habits can be a game changer. Given your interest in AI, this could be a rewarding avenue to explore. Social impact crowdfunding. Most crowdfunding platforms focus on products or services. A platform dedicated to social causes can give philanthropy a modern twist, allowing users to directly contribute to community projects. Remote team building services. With remote work becoming the norm, there's a growing need for services that facilitate team cohesion. Virtual team building activities, workshops, and even remote-friendly team challenges can fill this gap. Fitness gamification. Turning fitness into a game isn't new, but it's an area ripe for innovation. Think of a platform that not only tracks physical activities, but also allows users to challenge friends, earn rewards, and unlock achievements. Niche podcast networks. Podcasts are popular but fragmented. Creating a network focusing on a specific niche, such as wellness or self-improvement, can aggregate content and attract a dedicated audience. In a world where creativity reigns supreme, innovative business ideas can be the linchpin of your entrepreneurial journey. Are you ready to disrupt the market with your unique vision? Now is the time to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more insights. Like this video if you found it valuable, and share it with others who could benefit from these game-changing business concepts. Until next time, let's make innovation our business.